St. Patrick's Day 2014. Winter is not over yet. Not sure how much snow we're expecting tonight, but the National Weather Service is already talking about a major winter storm hitting the area this week. Tuesday and Wednesday, we have the potential to really get hit with a lot of snow. I know many people, including myself, are hoping this is going to be it. I'm ready for winter to be over. What about you? Signing off, YouTube. Take care out there. Stay warm. Stay dry. Stay safe. Hit subscribe and like this video. And wish that spring comes soon.